In this video, I'm going to walk you through a full tutorial and review of Wispr Flow to see if it's truly worth it for your daily workflow. I'll start by looking at the review summary on Efficient App, where Wispr Flow is highlighted as an AI dictation tool that actually works reliably enough to use every single day. As I scroll down, I can see that it's designed to be much faster than typing, allowing me to speak naturally while the AI cleans up the text for apps like Slack, email, or even LLMs. Looking at the performance stats, I'm checking out the impressive data, like a 164 word per minute average and over 70,000 total words dictated. Now, I'm moving into the key features, specifically how it works seamlessly across devices. On mobile, I can see how it integrates directly into the keyboard with a simple Start Flow button that listens and transcribes instantly. Next, I'll explore the style and tone personalization. I can choose between formal, casual, or very casual tones and even adjust the auto cleanup intensity to ensure the AI captures my intended meaning without losing my personal voice. I also have access to a custom dictionary for unique names and support for over 100 languages. As I look at the additional features, I see tools like snippets for quick links, a clipboard history, and a command mode for hands-free editing. Finally, I'll check the pricing, which offers a free version and a pro tier at $15 a month. Based on this final verdict, Wispr Flow is a powerful tool that makes professional dictation feel effortless. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.